6 years ago, we revolutionized the power sports industry by creating a piece of technology adopted by trail riders around the globe. And after years of research, innovation, and harsh product testing, we've done it again. We are proud to announce the release of our brand new Voyager Pro, the Connected Rider's GPS. Building on the groundbreaking features of the original Voyager, the Voyager Pro GPS fully integrates with your machine, providing you with real-time, vital ride data. We didn't stop there. Leading the way in power sports innovation, we've introduced a brand new feature not found in any other GPS in the world. TrailTech's patent-pending buddy tracking technology allows you to keep track of every rider in your group. Connect up to 20 riders at a time and know exactly where everyone is located. Avoid sucking dust or eating mud on the trail by backing off and staying connected with your group on the screen. We even have an emergency beacon if something goes wrong. Press the button and your icon will turn red and flash on your riding partner's screens, letting your group know you need help. Never compromise your riding experience again with Voyager Pro's patent-pending buddy tracking technology. The Voyager Pro GPS features a high-visibility 4-inch color touchscreen, allowing for topographical data viewable in all riding conditions. You can load routes from our rideleader.com website or turn the log track feature on and record tracks on the fly while you ride. With the next generation, we've taken Voyager Pro's integration one step further by adding Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to manage your calls, text messages, and media, as well as dual rider intercom capabilities. You and your Bluetooth-enabled ride partner can now communicate easily without losing focus on your ride. Engine RPM, hours, temperature, battery voltage, speed, distance, and elevation readouts provide you with the key information needed to keep you and your machine operating at peak performance, all while keeping you on course to your final destination. Voyager Pro is the Connected Rider's GPS, built upon years of experience by riders for riders. You can count on Voyager Pro to enhance your adventure and take you where you want to go without compromises. Voyager Pro, adventure begins here.